Welcome! In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through setting up your first gig as a seller, from choosing your title and pricing to publishing it live. Let's get started by clicking this button to create your new gig. First, you'll need to give your gig a descriptive title that tells buyers exactly what you're offering. Next, choose the category and subcategory that best matches your service. This helps buyers find you in search results. Here you can specify the type of documents you'll be writing, which helps further categorize your offering. Add up to 5 relevant tags that describe what you do. Think of these as keywords buyers might search for. Once you've filled everything out, go ahead and save to move forward. Now we'll set up your pricing packages. Click here to create them. You can offer up to 3 tiers, typically basic, standard, and premium, each with different features and pricing. For each package, describe what's included so buyers understand what they're getting at each level. Set realistic delivery times for each tier. Higher-priced packages often include faster turnaround. Specify the word count you'll provide in each package to set clear expectations. Decide how many revisions you'll offer. This is an important part of your service commitment. Now set your prices for each tier. Make sure they reflect the value and effort involved. Save your package details to continue building out your gig. This is your chance to describe your service in detail. Explain what you offer, how buyers benefit, and what makes you stand out. Using bullet points makes it easier to read. Adding frequently asked questions helps buyers understand your process better. Click here to add a new question. Once you've written your question and answer, click Add to include it. After adding your questions, save your work to move to the next section. Visual content matters. Upload 2 to 3 high-quality images that showcase your work or explain your service. Adding a video can significantly boost your gig's performance, so consider creating one if possible. You can also attach PDFs or other samples that demonstrate your expertise and previous work. Save your media files to continue. Taking the English skills test can enhance your profile credibility. Click here to get started with it. You'll need to complete some tax information. Fill out the W-9 form and indicate your tax status. You're all set. Click Publish to make your gig visible to buyers on the platform. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created your gig and it's ready to attract buyers. Feel free to go through this again anytime.